Hello and welcome to This Week at AVS. This is our final This Week at AVS of this year, and it's our Christmas edition, and we're going to let you know what's been going on in the final week of term. Christmas weeks in school is a lot of fun and loads of stuff going on. It's been no good for my waistline though, because I've had so many Christmas dinners. We've been serving Christmas dinners to students this week in year groups to celebrate Christmas, and our kitchen staff have done an amazing job. They've served over 1,000 Christmas dinners. The students have been in, had their Christmas lunch, and they've really enjoyed those events. Thank you to all the kitchen staff and to the students for embracing the Christmas lunches with festive cheer. This week has seen as well Art Week activities. They are activities that are in line with our core values: ambition, respect and care. We've had theatre performances on various different subjects for different year groups. We've had careers events and careers activities and workshops. We've had charity work going on and teamwork activities as well, alongside our house sports competitions. Some amazing opportunities for students, and thank you to everybody for engaging so positively. Our GCSE students were treated to a fantastic experience on Wednesday when they got a live experience with Queen Elizabeth I. Leslie Smith came in fully dressed in costume and character, where she talked to students about life as Queen Elizabeth I. Students then asked questions in this live event where she answered their questions, and her subject knowledge was incredible. This really brought this topic to life, and I know from speaking to the students afterwards, they really got a lot out of it, which will add to their GCSE. This week has seen our celebration assemblies, where all year groups have received their Gold Book Awards. Congratulations to all the students who've received awards in subject areas. This is a real testament to your dedication and hard work towards your studies. On Wednesday evening, I had the absolute pleasure of visiting St Potof's Church for the Christingle service. Reverend Paul Wilkinson welcomed Avon Valley staff and students to perform at the Christingle service. Thank you to the staff who helped prepare students for the event, and our students were amazing on the evening. They did a choir performance, solos, duets, dance and drama performances, and they all performed fantastically well with a great amount of talent. Thank you to anybody who came along to that event and supported our students, again just displaying how amazing and incredible the students at Avon Valley are. I'd like to wish everybody in our community a happy and safe Christmas. Festive greetings from everybody at Avon Valley, and I hope this week's edition again has given you good insight into the amazing things that are going on at the incredible Avon Valley School.